Arihant, Objective General English, SP Bookship. Objective General English for all competitive exams. Objective General English for all competitive exam. SP Bookship. Contents: Part A, Foundation Module, Unit 1 and Unit 2. Unit 1, the function of tenses, revision exercises. Voice, modals, revision exercises, answer. Unit 2, kinds of sentences and clauses, revision exercises, clause analysis, question tags, revision exercises. Non-finite verbs, verb, revision exercises, review exercise, answers. Unit 3, articles, noun, pronoun, review exercise, answers. Unit 4, adjective, adverb, prepositions, review exercise, answers. Unit 5, phrasal verbs, idioms and phrases, review exercise, answers. Unit 6, spotting errors, miscellaneous, sentence improvement, selecting the correct sentences, answers. Part B, verbal ability, paronyms and homonyms. One word substitutions, words with meanings, additional words for practice, synonyms and antonyms. Revision exercises based on synonyms, revision exercises based on antonyms. Foreign words and expression, the sentence completion, cloze test, answers. Part C, sequence of sentences, objective comprehensions, answers. Part D, practical grammar, narration, synthesis, transformation, punctuation, spelling rules, contractions, answers.